Hello sparkle lovers, welcome back to Mirthful Diamond Art. My name is Netta and today we have another kit that deserves to shine. It is another finish that I have, another kit that I finished recently, and we're going to have a closer look. The kit we're going to see is Afroditi. It is 60 by 80, 66 colors with 3 AB and 3 Cupid dust drills. It is I started this on February 2nd, 2026. I finished it on March 11th, 2026. It has 76,800 drills. It is my first finish of the month, my third finish of the year, my 25th finish overall, and it took me 65 hours and 30 minutes. I kitted this up on my bottles. It's my most preferable system to kit up my diamond paintings, and I have more than enough left from every color. Some bottles are totally full. As you can see, these are the colors that had the most of it, and they are pretty full. I'm going to try to show you the special drills, but my camera is playing tricks on me lately, so I'm not sure if I will manage, but I will try. The first special is AB 976. It is this beautiful burnt orange AB. Next we have a Cupid dust ZG407. It is this dark tan color. Next we have another Cupid dust, a darker brown. It is ZG801. It's this brown. Another Cupid dust ZG902 is this burgundy, dark red, I don't know how you want to call it. Then we have this beautiful light pink AB. It looks more yellow on the camera, but it's more pink up close. It's AB 3774. And the last one is this beautiful pink, salmon pink, AB 3778, which is this one. As you see, I have more than a lot spares to save on my spare drills. I'm going to flip this beauty around, and we're going to I have a few things to say about this kit. It was a real joy to work on it, and I have to point out some of the features, but first of all, let's see. And here she is. She is stunning. I will put also a picture where you can see it better on the screen. It's a little weird a camera angle this one I have, but I wanted to take as much of it as I could in the shot. So I'm always, or almost always, starting on the top left corner, going right, and then go row by row down. The first 3 rows, I can say, were very fast. I was able to complete a row a day, even though I'm a very slow diamond painter, but it is all color blocking here, except of the face. Now, talking about the face, I was very worried how the face will turn out, because it is pretty small and I didn't know the detail, so I was a little anxious to go to reach the face and see how it will look like, and I think it looks stunning, not only from afar but also close. She looks stunning, absolutely beautiful. And let me zoom you back out. So after reaching her shoulders, then going lower, it starts to get a little more confetti. Not much. It's still a lot of multiplacing and color blocking, but it starts to have to go a little slower because it has more colors. And then I reached the bottom row. I was very happy until I reached this part, which was the bottom row. I liked it very much. So, because I couldn't see it from very far, I wasn't sure how, if I thought that the dresses blend a little too much with the background, but if you look at it from a normal distance and not with your nose on the kit, it looks just right. But when I reached down here, I was like, oh no, oh no, 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 oh no, because let me show you these colors here. They looked, when I was working on it, they looked very off. We have these mint colors and these purples, and it was a little, I was very worried that it wouldn't look nice, again, with my nose on the canvas. But then I put it, after I finished it, I put it on the floor and took a picture, and I saw that it couldn't be more perfect, because these colors here that looked very off to me when I was working on them, they gave the shading exactly how it needs to be given on this diamond painting. So yes, it was a moment of oh no, and I have a moment of oh no here because I don't know, I scratched it probably somewhere and lost some drill, so I have to fix it up here. I had it rolled but put it a little haphazardly somewhere, and I think they will build off, but I can fix it. And yes, when I saw it from a distance and when I saw it through the camera and from a normal distance as it would do so on the wall, it was pretty perfect. Now I want to show you here on the dress. We have a lot of ABs highlighting the dress and her body. There are few ABs also on the flowers around here. And we have a lot of Cupid dust on the background and on her hair. So what can I say? I would happily do that kit again. I will do it again in the rounds next time, even though I'm not very fond of the rounds, but I want to make it also as a comparison and to see for myself and to be able to show to you too how it looks as a round. I don't know when I will get to it, but I will get eventually. So stay tuned for that. Truss, I had truss, you have truss. They are resin drills, and the truss and the static is part of the deal. But as you saw, I had more than enough to finish the kit. The truss contain usually the caved drills, or they have little tabs on the sides or little pin pokes on the top, but nothing that I couldn't deal with, or that took out from the joy of doing this diamond painting. So this is Aphrodite. You will find it on Mirthful Diamond Art website. I think I also have it on Etsy. But on the website we have a deal running also at that time, and it is available in both round and square drills. Just a reminder, the round drills are acrylic, the square drills are resin. Let me know in the comments how you like that kit, if it is something that you have on your radar, and if seeing it completed convinced you to to take it and work on it. I have more to come, more kits to show to you. The videos are short because I don't know what else to say. I'm not very good at this. I just thought that my finishes, not only because of my hard work, but because they are beautiful, they need a spotlight too. So if you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to see more videos on my channel, and I will see you next time. Until then, don't forget to shine, because it makes the other jealous, and take a very good care of yourself. Bye!